Some mornings begin gently, but most begin in a rush. The alarm ringing, someone's calling out, bags need packing, and before you know it, the day is already running ahead of you. And in that whirlwind, one thought always stays with us. What can I make that is quick, healthy, and still filled with love? Welcome to the Slow Whisk, where even the simplest recipes carry a story, a little comfort, and a whole lot of love. In moments like this, food becomes more than just food. A warm, homemade breakfast can pause the chaos, even for a few minutes, and remind us that love can always be served on a plate. That's why I turn to this instant dosa recipe. No soaking, no grinding, no fermentation. Just three humble flour. Wheat flour for energy, semolina for crispiness, and gram flour for protein. With a little water, salt, and some spices, the batter comes together in minutes. Now comes the special touch. Take a frying pan and season chopped onions, tomatoes in a little oil along with some cumin seeds, curry leaves, and of course you can add some green chilies. But if you're serving to kids, you could skip that too. Let them sizzle gently until aromatic. Once this mixture cools, fold it into this batter. This step not only adds flavor but also brings warmth and color into every dosa. Alternatively, you could also add grated carrots, some capsicum. In case your kids love them, you could do that too. When this batter hits the hot pan, it spreads thin and sizzles. The onions caramelize, the tomatoes soften, and the dosa crisps beautifully at the edges. Suddenly, even the busiest morning feels calmer. I'm reminded of weekends at home when the dosa was a slow ritual. Soaking, grinding, fermenting overnight, and the joy of eating together. Today, with this instant dosa recipe without fermentation, I can bring that same happiness to my family in just minutes. This crispy instant dosa is quick, wholesome, and so versatile. Serve it, pickle, or even just plain curd. Alternatively, you could also serve it with ketchup for kids. And now you have a breakfast that's light, healthy, and made straight from the heart. Because food is never just about recipes, it's about love, care, and memories shared at the table. And even a simple instant dosa can carry all of that beautifully. So, the next time you're short on time, try this recipe. It's easy, it's healthy, and it turns an ordinary morning into something special. If this recipe brought a little warmth to your day, try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the Slow Whisk for more such quick breakfast recipes, instant meals, and healthy vegetarian dishes. Because here, cooking isn't just about food, it's about love on a plate. And thank you for watching.